Jerry's home kitchen. Today I'll be making a recipe which is delicious, healthy, low calorie, that is chia pudding. I will be showing you 5 variations of chia pudding, that is Tangy orange chia pudding, Misty matcha chia pudding, cinnamon banana chia pudding, strawberry wonder chia pudding, and Choco fantasy chia pudding. So let's start with the first pudding, that is Tangy orange chia pudding. The ingredients are black chia seeds 2 tablespoons, orange juice 2 tablespoons, coconut milk half a cup, honey 1 tablespoon, vanilla essence 1/4 teaspoon, orange pieces for the topping. For the garnish, sliced almonds or pista. Now we shall add 2 tablespoons of chia seeds to the coconut milk and stir it. Add 1 tablespoon of honey. Stir it well. Add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Add the orange juice to the mixture. Give it a nice stir. Now we will put it away for an hour in the fridge for the chia seeds to bloom. An hour is over. Fill the jar with the chia pudding mix. Now we shall add bits of orange. Garnish it with a little pista and almonds or badam. Our tangy orange chia pudding is ready to be eaten. Let's start with our second pudding, that is Misty matcha chia pudding. The ingredients are black chia seeds 2 tablespoons, half a cup coconut milk, honey 1 tablespoon, matcha powder 1 tablespoon, vanilla essence 1/4 teaspoon. For the topping, 1 kiwi cut into pieces, coconut thickly grated for the garnish. Now we shall add 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1 tablespoon of honey. Add the matcha powder. Now we will place it in the fridge for an hour. An hour is over. Let us put together our Misty matcha chia pudding into the mason jar. Top it with kiwi. Garnish it with bits of cashew and sprinkle of grated coconut. Our Misty matcha chia pudding is ready. So let us start with our third pudding, that is banana cinnamon chia pudding. The ingredients are chia seeds 2 tablespoons, coconut milk half a cup, honey 1 tablespoon. You can use maple syrup also as per your choice. For the topping, 1 banana sliced, cinnamon powder for flavor, walnuts for garnish. Now we shall add 2 tablespoons of chia seeds to the coconut milk. Add a tablespoon of honey. We shall add a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Mix it well and keep it in the fridge for an hour. An hour is over. Let us put the cinnamon banana chia pudding into the mason jar. Add some sliced bananas. Cover it with the remaining mixture. Top it with few banana slices. Garnish it with a little walnuts and a stick of cinnamon. Your cinnamon banana chia pudding is ready to be eaten. So let's start with our fourth pudding, that is Strawberry Wonder Chia Pudding. The ingredients are black chia seeds 2 tablespoons, half a cup coconut milk, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla essence, 1 tablespoon honey, chopped strawberries for topping. For garnish, slices of apricot. Add 2 tablespoons of chia seeds to the coconut milk. Stir it properly so that no lumps are formed. 1 tablespoon of honey and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence. You can adjust the honey as per your taste. Now keep it in the fridge for an hour. An hour is over. We'll draw some chopped strawberries into the mason jar. Drop the mixture into the jar. Now we shall put the toppings of chopped strawberries and garnish it with a little sliced apricot. Our Strawberry Wonder Chia Pudding is ready to be eaten. So let us start with the fifth chia pudding, that is Choco Fantasy. The ingredients are 2 tablespoons black chia seeds, half a cup coconut milk, cocoa powder or drinking chocolate 1 tablespoon, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla essence, 1 tablespoon honey. You can also use maple syrup as per your choice. Coconut thickly grated for the garnish. Add 2 tablespoons of black chia seeds and stir it. Add the 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder and mix it properly. Add 1 tablespoon of honey and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix well and put away for an hour. An hour is over. I have drizzled the jar with a little chocolate sauce. I will pour in the Chocolate Fantasy Chia Pudding. Add some chopped mixed dry fruits of your choice into the jar. Pour the remaining mixture. Top it with bits of walnut and a pinch of grated coconut. Your Choco Fantasy Chia Pudding is ready to be eaten. So friends, our 5 variations of chia pudding is ready to be eaten. Do try my recipe at home for your family and friends, and I'm sure they'll love it. Until we meet again with my new recipe, till then, bye-bye.